Welcome back guys, this is Basant here, and in today's video I'm going to review one of the most selling and the popular domain monitoring and the reputation increasing tool. That name is the DMARC Report. Yes, its lifetime deal is back again on the AppSumo, but only for the Plus members. So if you don't know what is the Plus, this is the AppSumo Plus membership, where the AppSumo offer the some of the extra benefit to its dedicated members. For example, you can get the $100 in coupon, you can get the few tools free access like the King Sumo, Sandfox, all those stuff. So right now there's the Plus Day going on for the VIP section, and they have bring back some of the most crazy and the popular tools over the days or the years, what I say precisely. Like we have the Brainwork bring back, we have the Insert Chat, we have the Gen Page, we have the Ad You Need, and right now Ad You Need within the just few hours sold out. So suppose this is this Ad You Need, that's how sold out. The DMARC is also going to be sold out, because you can see right now it is the 24% claimed. So this is the right time. If you are checking out and want to buy the DMARC, this is the right time. Whether it's a lifetime availability is claimed up to the 100%, or within the 5 days gone, this deal is going to be ended. So if you want to check it out, the DMARC lifetime deal, the link will be given in the description, and if I scroll down below, you can check it out starting from the just $69 for the 25 domains access. You will get the white label interface and the domains reports. Okay, so now let me give you a quick overview of this platform, how it looks like, how you can connect your domain, and what the things you can monitor, and how you can use this platform to improve your deliverability, security, and even the monitor if there's something phishing going on with your DNS or not. Okay, so it's automatically detect your domains DNS phishing, email scooping, or all those stuff. Okay, so let me give you just quick overview. So this is how the DMARC dashboard will look like, and here you can check it out. For example, this is a domain.com and it is not active, so you can see it is showing up in the red markups, and if any domain name is active with the DMARC, then it will show in the green color and tell DMARC reporting here. Okay, and if you can check it out on the above top here, you can see, then in the dashboard you can check it out all your domains list. You can check it out the percentage compliant, all this insightful details in the really good way. Suppose here in the domain section, you can also switch to the different domains in the list available, or beside them you can check it out the summary, timeline, reports kind of things. So if I click on the summary or click any of the domains from the list, it is going to show up all the overview like the compliant, all these things. And in the timeline here you can check it out all the in the reports you can check it out all the records, all this stuff. For example, this is the SPF report, this is the DKM report, this is the DNS record, all these things. So you don't have to go to all in your hosting under the DNS to check out all these reports. So this is the single dashboard telling you all these things here. Okay, and if you want to check it out the more details like the IPs, you can see in the text DNS record, here's the IPs not in SPF here. Okay, so you can, if click here, it will show you all of those domain IPs that not available in the SPs. Okay, then this is the next thing here in the domain section. If I go to this thing here, add domain, it will tell you how you can add your own domain. Just enter the domain.com, whatever your domain name, then here you can just enable and disable the failure reports or the MTA reports. Okay, so for now let me enable it, and once whatever the thing you want to enable or disable it, do it from here and click on the next button here. Now you will go to the DMARC DNS, where you have to change DNS with the DMARC so it can start reporting the things here. Okay, so right now you can see it is your current DMARC your DNS. Okay, but you have to replace with this DMARC's DNS. So after that it will start reporting the things. So this is the pretty much easy, and you can see replace with the new record. So this is the best and the easiest way. Okay, so sorry for the interference, my phone was rang. Then once you activate it or add it here, you can see it will, you can check it out on your dashboard under the your domains. So if it is not active, like I said, it will show up. So I hope you like this quick overview. I know this is not that much of the long detailed video, but this is the thing I want to tell you, because soon it is going to be ended. So make sure you get it, and somehow if you are not happy, this the 60 days money back guarantee you will get here, so you can return it and your 100% money will be backed. Okay, so make sure you do not miss out DMARC reports right now.